Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, for all of the innovation packed into the latest generation of Toyota Tacoma, it still uses a standard prop rod to hold the hood up. That screams not innovative. But we've got the solution with Rough Country's Hood Strut Kit. Both the kit and the bolt-on installation is very straightforward. It's going to consist of brackets on the truck side, brackets on the hood side, the hardware to install those, and of course, our nitrogen-charged struts. Installation might take about 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and knock it out on our Tacoma. We're gonna start with our driver's side body bracket. This is a driver's side, this is a passenger side. They're contoured to fit exactly where they need to go. Our driver's side body bracket is gonna use these two bolts that the ABS pump mounts with. We're gonna simply back those off enough to slide our bracket into place and then tighten them down. With our bracket in place, we're going to go ahead and install our ball pin. This is what our cylinder will snap onto. Simply going to put it into the bracket and cinch it down with a nut. Now we're going to install our hood side bracket. It's going to go right here. There's an existing hole from the factory. It's a little small, so we're going to take an 11/32 drill bit and bring it to that size. Once we do that, we will line our bracket up, mark the location of our second hole, and drill that hole out. With our holes drilled, we're going to take our flag nut, go in through this access panel here, bring it, line it up with the holes, put our bracket in place, and bolt it down. All right. Now we'll install the ball pin. We'll repeat this on the passenger side. It's going to be the same with the exception of we're going to unbolt the battery and just shift it slightly toward the driver's side to give us plenty of room to install our body side bracket. So with the battery bracket loosened, I was able to shift the battery out of the way, and as you can see, I've bolted our passenger side bracket using these battery tray bolts. Once you've installed your bracket, be sure to shift your battery back over and reinstall your battery bracket. And now the cylinders simply snap onto the ball pins at the body and the hood, both sides, and that completes the installation. And just like that, the hood's gonna come up and stay up with no prop rod in the way. It's an option the truck should have come from the factory with. Your Tacoma needs this. Get it today at roughcountry.com.